Nokia 1100 disassembly. You need SRT6, a Torx Plus driver size 6, and metal tweezers. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect window with a film to avoid dust and scratches. Remove battery cover. Remove A cover. Also, protect inner side of the window. Take SRT6 and release the edges of the key mat. Now, key mat can be removed. Unscrew the 6 Torx Plus screws in the following order. Remove screws with tweezers if necessary. Put down UI module ASSI onto a soft cloth to protect the sensitive LCD. Unlock the 2 plastic snaps of the light guide. Now you can remove LCD with light guide. Protect LCD with a film. Remove speaker with tweezers. Take away the radio module and place it onto top side. Remove shielding from D cover. Remove system connector with SRT6. Carefully push out microphone with the Torx driver. Lever out vibromotor. Remove buzzer. Now disassembly procedure is completed.